I'm gonna make me some battered oven baked redfish and some boiled okra. So I take my fillets and I get the moisture off of them with a paper towel. I got more fillets than this, but this is just a representative batch. And I don't like bones in my fish, so I meticulously massage the fillets to get all the bones out. But I'm not going to show that part. I'm going to get the bones out first. Now I have my boneless fish fillets. I have my batter. It's got salt, pepper, paprika, garlic, and I like cracker crumbs. And it's pre-mixed with the flour in it. And I take the egg wash, two eggs, take some cooking olive oil and put it in the pan. And get that spread out. Cover the pan with it. Then I take my fish fillets, I dip the fish fillet in the egg wash, cover it up, and then put it in the cracker crumb batter, get it covered, and then put it on the baking pan. Cover the fish fillets with the cracker crumb egg wash. Shake off the excess. Now get all my fillets covered in the batter. Actually, it'd be cleaner if you use a fork. It's up to you. Now I take the leftover batter and I'll cover the bare spots on the fish. Don't forget to mention that there's this is Parmesan cheese in here. Okay, now that I have all the fillets covered in batter, I'm going to put it in the oven that's preheated at 350 degrees, and I'm going to leave it in there for at least 20 minutes and see how it comes out. So I'm gonna got the water boiling. Now I'm gonna put my okra in there, just thaw it out. Just enough water to cover the okra, and then a little more because some of it's gonna boil away. And then I add salt to taste. Okay, the 20-minute timer went off. Let's see how the fish came out. You turn the oven off. Nice and flaky. Just right. When it cools down, I'm going to have to give it a taste test. Okay, now the okra's all done. I'm going to drain the water. I got some leftover rice and beans and sausage, and I'm going to kind of make a gumbo out of it. So I'm going to pour this water out, what's left. Now I'm going to add some stewed tomatoes, Italian style, basil, garlic, and oregano. Just pour that whole can in there. Now I'm going to add my leftover rice and beans and sausage to the mix. I needed to add a little water to it. Mix it up. And then I'm going to let that simmer for about 5 minutes on a low heat. Okay, now I have my redfish, baked redfish, and okra, sausage gumbo, and side vegetables of zucchini. Looking good. Everything tastes great. Thanks for watching. God is good all the time.